Hey everybody, I want to do a quick video on how to set clear sales goals. And I'm going to use an example person that is selling an online gardening course. I'm going to use Maple to show you how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is say I'm Billy, and then we'll get started. We'll tell Maple a little bit about what we sell and who we are. So all right, let's tell Maple what it is. So I'm going to say I sell an online course for growing vegetables. Price is $195, and my customers are anyone interested in gardening ages 18 through 80. I'd like to make $2,000 per month. So I wanted to pick a pretty general example. I figure a lot of you are selling information products or online products. So we're going to start with an example. Someone selling a gardening course for $195. So let's go into how to set clear sales goals. And I want to work through this with you and show you how we're going to build a funnel that will then be something that we turn into actionable daily steps. So let's say we're ready to go. Okay. All right, so Maple's going to talk to us a little bit about the phases of a sale. So the first one is awareness. The second, once you're aware of a product, then you can move on to interest, and then you can move on to decision, and then you can move on to action. So Maple is using our goal of $2,000 per month to figure out how many sales we need to make, which is about 11. And then we're creating a funnel on how to get there. So let's talk about how this works. So monthly income goal is $2,000. Our price is $195 per sale. And so we need to sell roughly 11 per month. So then we're guessing the conversion rate from decision to action is 10%. Again, the best thing to do is build a funnel with numbers that you think are realistic, get some industry standard numbers, and then start working on it and then adjust those numbers after you do a month of work. So let's say that the conversion rate from decision to action is 10%. So from decision to action, the conversion rate is 10%. And here's our 11 that we need. And then we're going to say that we need 110 potential buyers at the decision stage, which is here, because 10% of 110 is 11, right? So you're kind of working from the goal up. Now, if 20% of those interested decide to consider purchasing, you need 550 interested individuals. So then we move up the funnel again. So we start with 11. 10% of those gets us to, we need 110 people at the decision phase. Then if this conversion rate is 20%, you need 550 at the interest phase, people who are interested in your product. Only 2 out of 10 or 20 out of 100 are going to convert to that action phase. And then if 30% of those who are aware become interested, you need 1,833 people at the top of your funnel. So a powerful thing to do is work from your goal back up to the top of the funnel. What do you need? So we need to make 1,833 people aware of our product in order to hopefully get 11 sales in 1 month. Now, what's going to happen is these numbers that you start out with won't be exactly correct. Maple does a good job of taking industry standard numbers for whatever it is you're selling, but these numbers will be different for your product and your industry. So that's like a really quick example of how to build a sales funnel based off of your product with your price, and then work up to the number of people that you need to make aware of your product every month. I hope you found this useful. See you later.